Hello viewers, all the managers and managers in making. You are all welcome on the portal of author Arun Chadda. We are today going to discuss how we are benefited or we stand benefited from principled working. What are the advantages we derive from principled working? First advantage is principled working builds creditability. Now, when I say creditability is not only the credit worthiness that the market defines or our fellow friends in the trade define. Creditability also relates to the employee relations. How our employees they look to us, what level of respect we earn, how strong are our relations with them. Creditability is something that sustains the business. Our creditability with our bankers, with our financiers, with our suppliers, with our vendors, with agencies where we outsource, with our contractors. So when they find that there is someone on the top or at the middle order of the hierarchy that stays by certain ethics, he is someone who can be trusted and who can be treated as a dependable person. Dependable word is such which relates to reliance. Human beings are social beings. We all want trustworthy friends within our own circles. And having good friends, it sort of reinforces our sense of security, which is apart from the security that is provided by the state or by the country. So it builds creditability. We must have some principles, some ethics, some kind of philosophy on which our business should operate. It enhances efficiency. If we are principled people, we will naturally try to monitor the businesses in a correct manner. We'll have our own formats, our own way of reporting. Our objective will be to build up an efficient organization, because efficiency is ultimately going to deliver the profits and a share for everyone. Corrects faults. Again, the principled working, it corrects faults. In my team, there could be 2 or 3 people, such people also, that may have a line of thinking, those may think hither and thither in some other ways. But then someone is needed. The rest of the team is there to audit their working style and to check it. What is important is the organizational image in the marketplace, and whosoever is attached to the organization has to display that. Promotes well-being. Most of the people that are within the organization, they are looked after better. If an organization is booking profits, then probably each and every person that is attached to that organization and is efficiently working is going to reap the dividends of efficiency. Effects output. Efficient operations, they affect the output of the organization. Again, what are ethics? Ethics are certain rules that we have framed for ourselves. At production level, these are the parameters to be achieved. At packing level, these are the parameters to be achieved. At logistics or distribution level, these are the parameters that we need to achieve. A say in the marketplace, these are the parameters. We need to create some kind of policies. We need to work out certain ways with which everybody stands benefited. Goal oriented, principled working. Why principles are made? We are trying to realize some end objective. It is always goal oriented, and the goals are not difficult to realize if the teams are coordinating in a proper manner. Every goal can be realized if there is a proper and efficient coordination between the people. In groups within organizations at gangplank level, their leaders are ensuring that we match the needs or availability at right point of time. Then probably goal orientedness is achieving that is not difficult. It reduces stress on the individuals within the organization. If you have certain principles, you know, along with my team, I am heading towards a particular goal realization in an honest and straight manner. There are no barriers. I don't have to worry. I don't have to bother about anything. Then probably you are operating as a stress-free manager. We are not stressed. We are not strained. We never allow the dejection to take us over. We are never stuck up. The operations are smooth. So this is how it reduces the stress, reduces barriers. The agencies, the government agencies, the legal agencies, the law, they know that this is one organization which has down to earth people. This is one organization that operates on constructive lines. This is one organization which has reliable people. This is the organization that can be trusted. This is the organization that has strong record keeping. So when all this is observed by our customers, by our buyers, by our agencies we are dealing with, automatically the barriers in our way hope you must have enjoyed this session. I'll join you with many other things in my future sessions. Thank you for your patient listening. Have a nice day.